Zatca Onboarding Process Tool. The Zatca Onboarding Process Tool is used by solution providers or taxpayers to complete the initial registration and obtain the required production credentials and compliance certificates to interact with the Fatura, e-invoicing, platform. Step-by-step breakdown. 1. Prerequisites. Before onboarding, ensure you have a valid commercial registration number, CRN, a qualified e-invoicing solution, ERP or custom-built, internet access, an internet-enabled PC/server where the tool runs, the library or other cryptography support if doing programmatic onboarding. 2. Run the onboarding tool. The tool typically does the following: generate a CSR, certificate signing request. This includes your organization info, CRN, VAT/No, common name, etc. A private/public key pair is generated. Send request to Zatca Onboarding API. The CSR and system metadata are uploaded to the Zatca sandbox or production endpoint. Receive and save request ID.txt. This is used for tracking the status of the request. Get compliance CSID and secret. These values are saved in CCSID string.txt, CCSID secret.txt. After downloading the certificates. Once the Zatca portal approves the request. 1. Download the compliance certificate. This certificate is a base64 encoded X.509 digital certificate. It proves that your invoice system is approved to interact with the Zatca e-invoicing platform. 2. Store the following files securely: compliance_cert.pfx or .sar, request ID.txt, CCSID string.txt, CCSID secret.txt. These are critical. Do not share them. Do not expose online. Next, invoice submission flow. After onboarding is complete, use the compliance certificate to digitally sign XML invoices. Ensure your invoices follow UBL 2.1 format and Zatca specifications. Submit to Zatca Production API, Phase 2, Integration Phase. Receive response, approved, rejected, warnings, etc. Optional, use Zatca Simulator. Zatca provides a sandbox portal and test certificate to test. QR code generation. Invoice XML signing. API reporting.